Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure VS Code is installed and updated. You need direct access to preferences. Once ready, open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P or CMD+Shift+P. Type and select Preferences, Open Settings, JSON, to jump into editable settings. This method is faster than navigating menus, and it gives you precise control. Now that the JSON file is open, locate or add the editor. Font family and editor. Font size, keys so you can set exact font names and numeric sizes. You will now change the actual font values. Enter the font family string exactly as the OS recognizes it, for example, Fira code, Courier New. Once done, set editor. Font size to a number such as 14 or 16 so the text scales properly. Make sure to include fallbacks separated by commas. If you want weight control, add editor. Font weight with a numeric string. After editing, save the JSON file. VS Code usually applies changes immediately, so you can see the effect and tweak. You should enable ligatures only if the chosen font supports them. Set editor. Font ligatures to true or provide a string for specific ligatures. After making these final edits, save the JSON file and check the editor. Changes apply instantly, but make sure to restart VS Code if fonts don't update. If things go wrong, confirm the font is installed on your system and spelled exactly as the OS reports. A mismatch prevents display. If necessary, install the font, reboot, and reapply the same settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.